Hey, we're here on the nature walk, and this is pretty neat out here, but we thought we'd draw your attention here to the neat group of people who are doing some neat stuff, right, Rodney?
Right.
They're doing some neat stuff. They're playing games, and you can tell that they're playing games because the way they are. Yeah. So we're gonna walk over here because we're gonna try to. Man, my backpack sure feels heavy.
Is that a bear in your backpack?
Nope, just Chuck Testa.
No, it's not. That's just Sherman, Rodney. Oh. Hey, Rodney, look. It's a caveman chasing a guy. Is that a real snake around his neck?
Nope, just Chuck Testa.
Oh, that's pretty neat. Yup. Rodney, look, it's the Easter Bunny. We should try to pet it.
Yep. No, you can't pet him. I'm his bodyguard.
You're the bodyguard? Wait, is that a real dinosaur?
Nope, just Chuck Testa.
Oh, that's pretty neat. How neat is that? Look, it's the bunny. Hey, Rodney, look. It's a lion sleeping with a little baby lion. That's pretty neat. I wonder if it's a real little baby lion.
Nope, just Chuck Testa.
That's pretty neat. How neat is that?
Yep.
Wait, look at this. Come here. Look, it's natural habitat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't move. Don't move.
Is that a real seagull? Nope, just Chuck Testa.
Andrew, keep going. Keep going.
Hi, I'm Chuck Testa. Hi, I'm Fish and Chips.
I'm the bodyguard.
Easter Bunny.
I'm Eyes in the Mouth. I'm Weird. Fluffy Joe and Fluffy Joe Jr.
Caveman.
I'm the hipster.
Rodney.
And I'm pretty neat. And this is Parents 15. Hey guys, look. Is that a Chuck Testa gorilla?
Whoa!
No, it's not. Run!